when you meditate, you just follow to the natural meditation experience. So many people, what they do is they have the misunderstanding about meditation. So some people, they think meditation meaning think of nothing, empty mind, empty brain, and the concentration. So sometimes they do like this, when they meditate, then everything becomes tight. Practice, I'm going to aware of the breath, no thought. Like that. So this is the too tight and not natural. And then another one is sometimes what we call pleasing out. So you are looking for particular state of mind, like peaceful, calm, joyful. So some people, they meditate like this, put the artificial smile on your face and peace, or relax. So when you try to say relax, actually you're tight. So that's also not nature. So when you look for peace, relax, joyful experience, normally what they say, I'm busy. So you have to make appointment. So eventually, see, you will not get peace, right? You become more tight. So, but for our meditation, we don't have to do that. Just completely natural, normal. So these are the really important point for the meditation. So many people misunderstand about meditation. It's like looking for particular state of mind. So now you don't have to do that. It's completely natural.